At Erdingsworth Business and Tax Advisors, we believe tailored doesn't ever mean expensive. It simply means that it is right for our clients and their varied needs. We strive to offer clients a pick and mix list of services that can be adapted as their business grows or their needs change. We take pride in treating each of our clients as valued individuals, and we appreciate that we will never encounter two clients who are the same. Primarily, we understand that our clients value an accountancy service that will benefit their business and free them up to focus on what they are best at. Our Xero Silver certified team keep up to date with the latest software improvements through regular training so we can pass this knowledge on to clients. The Xero Ecosystem is at the heart of our forward-thinking accountancy practice. We use Xero for every element of reporting, along with its integrations with GoCardless, Square and Hubdoc. With the help of Xero, we've built a service that's designed to make our clients' life easier and their accounting smoother and more effective. Let's hear from our founders, Tom and Zahid, about how Xero makes a difference for Erdingsworth and our clients.
So cash flow-wise, Xero is really quite useful when it comes to bookkeeping as well, isn't it? So
because if the alternative to that is manual bookkeeping, isn't it? And that's time-consuming, isn't it? It's not cost-effective because of the amount of time that's being used. Xero brings in things like bank links and automation and whatever.
Yeah, and then you've obviously just touched on cost effectiveness. You've mentioned that it's not just cost effectiveness for time, it's cost effectiveness for the client as well, because at the end of the day, if we're having to manually bookkeep something, it's going to cost the client more, isn't it?
Absolutely, because it's taking more of
our time. Exactly. So certainly with the automations within Xero, like we've just touched on, bank links, etc., it's a no-brainer, isn't it, really, for a client, I think, personally.
Say that bit again, the
automation bit. Yeah. So with the automation of Xero, would it be bank links, etc., then it's better for the client, isn't it?
Yeah, it's more up to date as well, isn't it?
More up to date and more to the point, isn't it? So if you, rather than having to sort of sit there and pull off your bank statement first thing in the morning, just as an example, you click one button on Xero and it downloads the bank transactions, doesn't it? So
and then in terms of like cash flow for the business, linking in apps like GoCardless, Square, and other apps, modular as well, isn't it?
Modular, you've got all sorts
that can help with monitor their cash flow and in some cases bring money in more quickly, I suppose.
More efficiently, exactly.
And then Xero in that way then becomes more of a monitoring platform to monitor the financial performance of the business.
Effectively, I think the key point is if all the automations are there, you haven't really got to touch it unless it's just doing a bit of reconciliation, because it runs itself in the background. Right. So all you're really going to be checking is what money you're owed and what money you've got to pay out, which again ties in with the cash flow element, doesn't it, as well? You can see actively what bills are due, what bills are due to be paid. It's what money you're owed in, what money you're due to pay out.
I think it's really easy to do as well, isn't it? I mean, so long as the sort of nitty-gritty of the bookkeeping is done, like the processing of the invoices, the processing of the sales invoices, the processing of the payments, and everything else.
Exactly. It's a bit time consuming to set up, but once it's set up, it's time well spent.
Absolutely.